Now that the cold weather is back, it's time to break out the Roar Wood Stove from OneTigris and conduct an operations check. Welcome back to Outdoor Adventures with Doc. Today we'll be setting it up inside the tent, firing it up, and then seeing how it performs in real camping conditions. Proper placement of your stove is critical. I've positioned it near the tent stove jack for safe ventilation. Remember to always use heat-resistant materials to protect your tent and ensure adequate airflow. Let's start with assembling the stove piping and attaching it to the stove. The piping comes in sections that easily stack together. Once the sections are connected, I'll attach the pipe to the stove and guide it out through the stove jack in the tent. But before proceeding, I need to make sure that the stove jack vent is open to allow proper ventilation. This is crucial for safety and efficient airflow. I placed my stove on a sturdy metal folding table, sitting on top of a heat-resistant mat. This setup not only protects the tent floor, but also raises the stove to a comfortable height for operation. With the piping routed through the stove jack and the stove securely in place, we're ready to light this baby up. For this fire, I used pre-shaved magnesium, which is a reliable and efficient fire starter. Magnesium burns extremely hot, making it ideal for starting fires even in damp or windy conditions. The great thing is, you don't have to shave it yourself. It's ready to use straight out of the package. You can easily find pre-shaved magnesium online, including on Amazon. Instead of using a ferro rod with the magnesium, I was lazy, I admit it, and I cheated. I used a lighter. But using the lighter, the fire caught instantly, and I was well on my way to a warm tent. Safety is paramount here, folks. Always keep an eye on the stove while it's in use, and have a fire extinguisher or water nearby. Once the fire is out, give the stove time to cool before handling it. Trust me on this one, I learned that the hard way. Cleanup is simple too. Just empty the ashtray and you're ready for the next adventure. And that's a wrap for the OneTigris Roar Wood Stove. Whether you're braving the elements or just enjoying a quiet night in the wilderness, this stove is a reliable addition to your camping gear. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more outdoor tips and reviews. Until next time, stay warm and keep exploring.